In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Wise. If you need to update the name shown on your Wise account, this process is fairly quick and straightforward. Just make sure you enter the name exactly as you want it to appear, and if your account is verified, it's a good idea to use the same name that matches your official documents to avoid any issues later. To begin, go to the Wise homepage and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top area of the page for your profile icon. This is where you can access your account settings and personal account options. Click on the profile icon to open the account menu. From there, select Personal Details. This section contains the basic information associated with your Wise profile, so it's the right place to go when you need to update something like your name. After that, click on Personal Information. This will open the page where your personal details can be reviewed and edited. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct section before making changes, especially if you manage more than one type of account or use Wise for different purposes. Now, enter your new name in the appropriate field. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, and spacing, since even small differences in financial platforms. If your name change is due to a legal update, such as a marriage or another official change, make sure the information matches your supporting documents in case Wise asks you to verify it. Once you've entered the new name, click Save. That will apply the update to your account details. After saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the information on the page to confirm the change was accepted correctly. If you don't see the update right away, try refreshing the page or revisiting the personal information section. In some cases, certain account changes may be subject to review, so if Wise needs anything else from you, they'll usually let you know inside your account. And that's it. That's how to change your name on Wise. If you're following along, just move carefully through the profile settings, update the name field, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.